Hey, what's up? My name is Jacob. This is my bike check, and I guess I'll just start from the back, work my way forward. And this is a Verde back rim, Animal PC pedals, Animal gold sprocket, half track gold chain, Verde seat post, stock crank, fit frame, kink handlebars. Gold, just got them in today. This is just a stock rim, some stolen money grips, working pretty good so far. Got those in today too with the handlebars, and some Colony bar ends, pretty nice. And that's pretty much my bike check. One more thing, you gotta support the boobies, man. Support the boobies. And 6.0s, Nike 6.0s right there. Brand new today. Got them in today. And that's pretty much my bike check.